Generating legally compliant contracts for your global teams is complex, but not anymore. Introducing Multiplier's Global Human Platform. You can now create and send contracts to your new employees in under 5 minutes, wherever they are. You heard that right. All you have to do is log into the platform, head over to Hire and Onboard, and fill in the employee's basic details, such as base location, name, designation, etc. Next, fill out the employee's compensation details and payroll frequency. Add additional compensation details such as joining bonus or allowances, along with the payout month. Optionally, make ESOPs a part of their compensation as applicable. Select from a range of top-notch localized benefits curated for your global teams. Lastly, add or edit leaves, probation, and notice period for the employee. And voila! Hit Send Contract. The best part? You can track every onboarding milestone of your new employee, from contract generation, signatory and employee signature, document submission, and more, with a real-time onboarding tracker. Global teams? Use Multiplier.